How to log out of a deleted Roblox account on Xbox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about logging out of your deleted Roblox account on Xbox. For that, you need to simply unlink your Roblox account from the Xbox first. So open a web browser and then go to roblox.com, log into your account that is linked to your Xbox, and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. Once you tap on that, a new page will appear. And in the left sidebar, click on Security, that is below the account info. Now in this setting, scroll all the way down. And under the security information, you will see Xbox that will say Xbox connected with an Xbox account. Click on Disconnect. If you have a PIN on your Roblox account, you need to enter it and then click on Unlock. After doing this, your Xbox account will be disconnected from your Roblox account and it will be removed. So the next time you open Roblox on your Xbox, it will ask you to sign up or sign in again. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.